So the 20th graph is graph of rational functions. So generally when we draw graph of rational functions, we use curve tracing. So for more detailed and accurate elaborate graph, we'll use curve tracing. Here we are just going to draw a very rough, very crude sketch of rational functions. So I'll take an example. Say for example, a function is given by fx equals x square minus 4 upon x square minus 4x. So first what I'll do is I'll factorize it. So I'll write fx as x plus 2, x minus 2, x and x minus 4. Now the roots of numerator are x equals plus or minus 2 and the roots of denominator are x equals 0 and 4. So I'll mark all the 4 points on x-axis. So I'll get minus 2, 0, plus 2 and then plus 4. Now because 0 and 4 they lie in the denominator, so my function will have asymptote at 0 and 4. So at 0 and 4 I'll draw vertical lines. So I'll draw dotted vertical lines at 0 and at 4. Now if you have studied limits also, if I'll take the limit x tends to plus or minus infinite fx, I'll get the value of this limit as 1. So this graph will also have a horizontal asymptote and that will be at y equals to 1. So I'll draw a horizontal line at y equals to 1. Now I'll go back to inequalities. So what is the sign of the rightmost? So this is plus and plus. Sign of the rightmost is plus. So this is plus, this is minus, plus, minus and plus. So now I'll start drawing the graph. So now in this case, there is horizontal asymptote here and there is a root at minus 2 and there is a vertical asymptote at 0. So I'll draw this graph starting from 1, then it will pass through minus 2 and then it will have negative value and then it will have an asymptote at 0. Now between 0 and 2 it has an asymptote at 0. It will be positive between 0 and 2 and then after 2 it will be negative and then it will again have an asymptote at 4. Now between 4 and infinite it has an asymptote at 4 and then it will have horizontal asymptote at infinite, y equals to plus 1. So this is a very basic graph of rational function. And in the next class we'll discuss how do we transform these basic graphs to create more complicated and stunning graphs. Thank you.